All right, Tesla fam. Today we're going to walk through how to use a Tesla charging station so you can keep your ride charged up and ready to go. First things first, to use a Tesla supercharger station or any other Tesla compatible charging station, make sure you have your Tesla key with you and your Tesla app installed. Here's how to get started. 1. Find a charging station. Use your Tesla app or the in-car navigation system to locate the nearest Tesla charging station. You'll see real-time availability and the type of chargers available, whether it's a supercharger or a standard destination charger. Park and prep. Once you arrive, park your Tesla at an available supercharger stall. Make sure your vehicle is positioned correctly with the charging port facing the charging cable. 3. Plug in. Open your car's charging port by either pressing the button on your Tesla key fob, tapping on the screen inside the car, or using the Tesla app. Then, take the charging cable from the station and plug it into the charging port of your Tesla. You'll hear a click to confirm it's properly connected. Charging. Your Tesla will automatically begin charging. You'll see the charging progress on the screen inside the car and on the Tesla app. You can track how much charge is added and how much time is left. 5. Finish charging. Once you're charged up, simply unplug the cable. It'll automatically stop charging and you can return the cable to the charger station. Make sure to close the charging port before heading back on the road. 6. Payment. If the supercharger station requires payment, it's all handled through your Tesla account. You'll be billed automatically based on the amount of energy used. And there you have it. It's a simple and efficient process that keeps you charged up while on the go. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.